afternoon, everyone. This is Nelam, and today I'll be teaching you how to change your Instagram font to different kinds of fonts. Like in a shorter way, I'll say how to funkify your Instagram font to be able to use it on your Instagram feed or Instagram bio. This is just to make your content more attractive and beautiful. So now I'll be going to my Instagram. This is my post now. I want to work on this post because I'm using it for advert. So this is my post. I've posted the pictures and I've posted the content too. This is the content. But everything is just the same font and the likes. I want to change some particular font to make it more beautiful and to make it more conspicuous. So I'll click on the edit. Then this super combo promo, I want to change it. I want to make it more conspicuous, that when people see it, it will catch their attention. So I'll copy it. Then I'll go back to my browser. That's my Google Chrome. I've opened my browser. Then I will type 𝙒𝙖𝙣𝙩. I'll search for it. This is you can see the Instagram font generator. So I'll click on the Instagram font generator, and here you can see type or paste your text here. I'll just type, since I've already copied that, I'll just paste it here. Then it will load different fonts for me, of which I can choose from. Here I cannot choose the font I want. As you can see, we have different fonts. So which one do I want? I want some. Okay, let me choose this very bold one. So I cannot choose this. I will just highlight it. Then I'll copy. I'll go back to my Instagram. Then I'll edit the top where I want that to be. I'll paste it. As you can see, it has changed. Then I want this place order too to be bold. I want it to be bold. I can actually choose other designs too, but this is what I want. As you can see, we have many other fonts styles here. So yeah, I'll paste because I want to change that. Oh, I didn't copy that. So I'll copy this again. Then I'll bring it here. I'll paste it. As you can see, we have different font styles here, of which you can choose from. So I want to choose. Let me just choose something. Should I choose this? But don't mind you, I'm using this for adverts, so I'm not going to use something that is too funky or too slanted so that people can see it. So let me just choose this. Copy. Then I'll go back to my Instagram. Then I'll paste it. I'll paste it. I think that is okay. You can also change anything you want to change, and you can change it to different fonts. Then I will just click on the right button here to save my edit. Then my post is edited. As you can see, it has changed. So that is that about changing your Instagram fonts. Now you will be able to funkify your Instagram feed. You can also use the same for your Instagram bio. So instead of it to just be plain fonts like this, you can funkify it. But mind you, use fonts that people will see easily.